So we talk about Te Roro Te Rangi and his wife, and how you say that in Te Reo is Te Roro Te Rangi me tōna piringa, ko Kaimatai. Piringa is the one that he kind of leaned on. And so, just like on the marae, when you have a whare nui, you need to have a Wharekai. Kaimatai is the Wharekai, and that is Te Roro Te Rangi's wife. Kaimatai is from Waitaha and Tapuika, which are the children of Hei and Tia. So in the Te Arawa canoe, you had Tamati Kapua's father, Haumai Tawhiti, and his twin brothers are Hei and Tia. And those brothers began around the Te Puke area on the coast. That's where Kaimatai is from.
When we discussed it about building a new Wharekai, I was of the opinion that we built it without the ngafa at this stage, because the ngafa that we drew from was always breaking down, and it had many times we had tangihi or something, and suddenly our cooking facilities were nilch because we had a little wee electric stove in the kitchen. Kaimatai Whare Manaki, and it's the place where after all our, whether it be tangihana or whatever in the whare, we go over there and we become noho.
Whatever manuhiri comes through the door, whether it's a tangi, a funeral, or whether it's a birthday, the facilities have to be able to accommodate for whatever. That's why you need Kaimatai and Te Roro Te Rangi working together as one. Not all rituals on a marae just sit in the wharenui. So you must have the other facilities to enable everything to be done.
The opening of Kaimatai was a very special moment for me. Actually brought tears to my eyes. It was because I was so involved with it with Greg, but no, it was the completion of the mahi that I mentioned earlier of Maria Tini. And I actually looked up when it was done, and I said to Maria, there you are, my cuz, it's done, your mahi is done. Yeah.